Good morning, OGs, OG fam. Welcome back. Hey, today we got something just kind of real quick. We got a E-Class Sun in the house. What we're going to do is we're going to do a wash, a decontaminate. We're going to clay towel it, and then we are going to use some product from McKees 37. It's out of that box I got. We are going to use the Si02 ceramic series. This is the Hydro Blue Pro. This is Si02 coating, so it's ceramic. This is the one that I was telling you about in the other videos about it's just so much easier to apply than the other ones. There is no wipe on, wipe off. You spray it on a panel, you rinse it off. It's fantastic. So stay tuned. We'll probably do one big long time lapse, and then we'll cut to the Hydro Blue application and the rinse off, and you guys will see how easy it is, and it's just fantastic. So stay tuned. Show you. So we used a strip wash from Adams, but I want to show you how flat and dead the paint is at this point. See? It just sits there. There's no runoff, right? Ooh. So we will fix that. Hey, B. Okay, so what we did is we did a strip wash, we did an Iron-X iron remover, we did clay towel, clay bar. I did a quick one-step just to kind of polish it up. So now we're going to back it out, we're going to rinse it off, get it all nice and wet. We'll apply the Hydro Blue Pro, and I will show you how that all works. So here's the Si02 ceramic series. This is the Hydro Blue Pro. Now again, if you haven't seen episode 4 where we ceramic coated the Hyundai, that was the Hyundai series, that's up here in the card, right? My left, your right. So I'm gonna quickly get the car wet, then I'm gonna apply the Hydro Blue Pro, then I'm gonna rinse it off. You go one panel at a time. It's awesome. I'm telling you, this is the best, easiest way to apply some ceramic coating. So we get her wet. The nice thing about this stuff is you can coat any surface, wheels, tires, windows, anything. So we're going to do the entire car with this stuff. Spray it on, you can already see it running, rinse it off. That water runoff, that is beautiful. Spray it on. Rinse it off. remember, one panel at a time. This stuff it's fantastic. And remember, this will give you 5 to 6 months of good coverage. Great protection. Look at that. Water just sheets right off. The Hydro Blue means it's water activated. Okay, so that's what really, there's no rubbing, there's no applying, there's no scrubbing, there's nothing, just rinse. Seriously, cannot get any easier than that. Remember, after a wash, you can just use this as a drying agent. Let me do half the car, and then I'll show you what I mean by drying agent. And I'm liberally applying this stuff. I don't think you need to go that crazy. Few squirts usually ought to do it. Oh, I got the 2 kids anyway. Alright, so you rinse it off. It's protected with the Si02. You rinse it off. Now you get your dryer. Touchless drying, that's the best way to not scratch the car. Just don't touch it. Alright guys, you've seen the application of the McKees 37 Hydro Blue Pro. Okay, it is as easy as that. You'll love it. It'll give you 5 to 6 months protection. So hit the link in the description below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.